you guys, so I will show you another Ceaco pack today, and I haven't got the pack anymore because I already sold it. It left my house and I forgot to do an intro. Actually, I did them, I think, in January, and I had these files here and couldn't release them because I haven't done an intro. That's what I'm gonna do now. So you saw my Ceaco box with the movie posters from Pixar, and what we do now is the Walt plain poster series. So what we do here, we will have Hollywood and Palm Springs, and then we'll look at New York and New Orleans and Florida finally. So yes, that's what we're gonna do. But today we're only looking at Hollywood and Palm Springs, and let's do it. Okay, so that was the last puzzle from the Walt's plain poster series from Ceaco. It was a little bit tricky because, as you can see, it's not very colorful, but it was okay. It was doable, and yes, I think it's quite pretty. What I like is that although it's a Walt Disney plain poster series, it has got nothing to do with Disney, really, so... Okay, you guys, so here we have it. Palm Springs. That was the fourth one I did from the Walt's plain poster series. And I just had to look up where Palm Springs is. And it is near Los Angeles in California. So I think that's this plane. It is dangerously low. That looks a little bit suspicious. And yes, the people here, they do have a quite interesting artwork. Look at her hand, it's just a spike. But they do look as if they are having fun. So, that was it. Palm Springs. Thank you very much for watching, and we will see us on the next one. Bye bye!